Welcome to InfoComm India 2025. I am Gopal Krishna, leading ClickShare business in Barco. Barco is introducing modular wireless video conferencing system, ClickShare Hub. It is based on MDEP, Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform, and Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform enhances the current Android platform with security and approval by Microsoft. We have ClickShare Hub, which enables you to come to the meeting room, tap on our Barco control panel and start the meeting. If you want to share the content, you can use our next generation button to share the content wirelessly over ClickShare Hub. ClickShare Hub has two models, ClickShare Hub Core and ClickShare Hub Pro. ClickShare Hub Core is having all the essential feature, comes with base unit, control panel and one touch panel. ClickShare Pro comes with base unit, touch panel and two buttons. So ClickShare Hub comes with control panel and our next generation button. It is a next generation 5 button which is based on Wi-Fi 6E signals, which improves the speed, low latency and stable connections. It is a plug and play button, requires no driver, no software installations. So connectivity with ClickShare Hub is very simple. It connects with your panel display through HDMI port, and it connects with any USB video bar through USB. And your device is connected, your room is in a room system, whether it is MTR or Zoom, and you start the call from clicking the control panel and share the content through ClickShare next generation button. So ClickShare now covers the complete part of Microsoft Places, starting from in-room presentation. So we have C5 and C10, which is for in-room presentations. Then for your meeting rooms, hybrid meeting rooms, we have our own video bar plus wireless conferencing series, which works with any other peripheral, any camera, mic, speaker. You connect them and create your own wireless conferencing. And now with our own ClickShare Hub, your room would be in MTR mode and content can be shared over wireless. That's ClickShare for complete Microsoft Places. Thank you.